Are you passionate about arts, crafts, and creativity? Why not turn that passion into a thriving business by starting your own hobby and craft supplies store in Malaysia? With Malaysia's growing interest in DIY projects, scrapbooking, and handmade gifts, there's a strong demand for quality craft supplies. Your store could be the go-to place for hobbyists, artists, and creative entrepreneurs. Step 1. Choose your niche. Will you focus on general arts and crafts, or specialize in knitting, painting, model kits, or custom stationery? Step 2. Source your products, whether locally or from trusted international suppliers. Don't stop at a physical shop. Build an online store and use social media marketing to attract a wider audience. Offer workshops or DIY kits to boost sales and keep customers engaged. With the right location, marketing strategy, and customer service, your hobby and craft supplies store can become a creative hub in your community. Start crafting your business dream today with 3E Accounting Malaysia as your trusted business setup partner.